Now we're going to make it even more challenging. We're going to take the same number, 664, but instead of doing regular old rounding, we're going to do what's called internal rounding. Internal rounding isn't really that hard. It's just about reading the directions carefully. Here I see my directions in pink. They say round to the nearest 10. Well, I still have this number that's 3 digits, so it has ones, tens, and hundreds. What I have to think about, though, is the tens place and the number immediately to the right. Always, when we're rounding, we have the option of rounding up or rounding down. So I can draw my number line again. The easiest way to do this is to just, for a moment, ignore the hundreds place and just look at 64. If I were to round 64 down, it would round to 60. If I were to round up, it would round to 70. Again, I find my halfway point, halfway in between 60 and 70. We have 65. And I look at 64 and I say, well, which side of the number line does it fall on? It falls right about here, which means that it's closer to 60. But my number that I'm rounding isn't really 64. It's 664. So if I want my number line to be a correct representation of this rounding, all I need to do is go in and add that third digit. The results are the same though. I'm still going to end up rounding down to 660. The important thing with internal rounding is to read those directions carefully.